What is going on, guys? Joe G here, and thanks for stopping by my channel. We are back for another demo vid, and tonight we're going to be taking a look at the silent mode fountain from Winda Fireworks. And guys, tonight's demo is being sponsored by our friends at Moss Fireworks. You can check out one of their 3 locations if you're in Texas, in Zorn, San Marcos, or McQueeney. Once again, Moss Fireworks, thank you for providing product for tonight's demo. Let's take a look at the performance here. We got red, green, blue tadpoles. Go hydrangea, which is a new effect. Cherry flower, melting iron flower, red, green, bees. Take a look at the different colors there that will be in the fountain. It's going to last approximately 68 seconds and 7 feet high. Here we go, guys. Silent mode. Let's go check this out.
Nice.